it means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
Hello everyone. It's me, Toxify. So today I'm going to be doing something that maybe it'll be helpful, maybe not. Who knows? So I'm going to be doing something where, okay, just to make sure I'm recording. So I'm going to be doing something where, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make intros, outros, whatever you want with this one simple video. It's really quick and easy. My video might be 2 minutes long, who knows? So what we're gonna do? So the thing that we're gonna do today is it's called Panzoid.com. It's it's a really helpful thing that you can use for your videos. It doesn't help you make videos, but it helps you with stuff. So we're going to be doing that. So panzoid.com right here. So you click on this first link, and so you'll come to this. You can make a link if you want. You can make a account if you want, but you don't have to. So what you want to do now is click on Clip Maker like this. Okay. So you have all of this stuff. Like you can put like. So basically. Okay. Well. that was weird. So basically, yeah. So you have all this stuff. Now you can go. Okay, let me show you because this is confusing. So go to Clipmaker. Click Clipmaker. Scroll down. Don't mind these ones. Scroll down. Click More Creations. Like this. Now it shows you all the creations. So let's just say you want to make an intro. Do this. Let's open. So now you have this. If you want to view how it would look like if you were using it in your video, this is what you press. You see this eye in the corner. What you're supposed to do is click on the eye like this, and then press play. So that's basically what the eye is supposed to do, and then you can play. And so now I'm going to teach you how to take away a name and put your YouTube name. So basically what you want to do is click basics. So it shows this. You don't have to mind those. You don't have to mind this either. Okay, now right here. So sometimes it'll say a bunch of stuff. Sometimes it'll only say name. So what you want to do if it just says name, take it away like this, and then you want to type in your name. So my name's Toxify. Put that in. So now we're done. And then look at this, like that. So now that that's done, now you can skip all of these. Now you can press start video render. So after that, then what you want to do, it's going to say download video after you finish the render, and then let it download, and then you're done. So you can use it as a file. So then let me show you. See, for this one, it only says like the name. So I'll show you the ones that are really confusing. So yeah, let me show you. Let's find one that doesn't have just name in it. Oh, I got this one. Let's check. Yeah, right here. Okay. So it says text template. So what you want to do, you want to take this out and put Toxify and put your name in bold of them. If it's 3, gotta put them in all 3. So Toxify, and now done. So now I can do this. Okay, I don't know what's not working with it. Oh yeah, this one still has template. Let me change it. So now that you did that, now you can put, and then you can just change it. You don't need to mind anything else here. You don't need to care about those. And now you can change right here. You can change if you want the glitch, the duplicate. I like the glitch, so it's like enabled. So yeah, and then that, and then you can do the start video. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me tell you to make an outro as well. The same thing, intro, same thing as well. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. We did a really different video today, I know, but I hope you guys liked the video. It's called panzone.com. If you can't find it, put the link in the description below. So yeah, I mean, I hope this is helpful to y'all. If you're trying to start a new YouTube channel that's cool, you can use this. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye guys. Bye.